Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this 10-minute easy glam look for when you want to look cute and put together, but you just woke up an hour late because you hit snooze like 12 times. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so we are going to start off by priming the face. So I am going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus base. I'm just going to go in throughout the T-zone, just kind of areas where I have big pores. You're just going to rub that in. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. This is in the light/medium sheer tint. I love this stuff. It's awesome. I'm just gonna put some of that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to just dab this onto my face. Okay, and then I'm going to take this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It's just kind of like a big kabuki brush, and I am just going to blend it into my skin. I'm not using a beauty blender today because I just feel like a brush goes faster. Today is all about time. Okay, I'm going to take any leftover I have on my hand and just kind of build that up towards the center of the face. And take it a little bit down the neck as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with just a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape. And I mean a really little bit, like a really small amount. Under the eyes. I'm going to go right in here where I get a little redness. I don't think I have any other spot, a couple of spots. And then I'm going to blend this out with the brush. And my fingers a little bit. And then these spots I'm just going to pat in with my finger. Okay. So now I'm going to go in and just bronze a little bit. I'm going to take my Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. It's a contour stick, but it's pretty warm tone, so I think you can get away with using it as a bronzer. I'm just going to go ahead and dot this all over my face in the spots where the sun would normally hit. And then I'm going to take that brush again and just circular motions blend this out. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little blush. I'm going to go in with this Kiss and Smink, I think it's called. The Everything. This is in the color Tulum. I think I got this in one of my Ipsy bags. I'm just going to go ahead and dot that on the cheek. And again, take this brush, blend it out. I am wiping off the brush between products. I have a little towel on my leg right now that I'm wiping the brush off on. Okay. Make sure I don't have any crazy creases under my eyes. Now I am just going to go in with this. This is a Sephora. It's actually a contouring brush, but it's like a small fluffy brush, and I like to use this for powder and baking and anything I want. So I'm going to go in with this and just set my makeup with just the smallest amount of powder. Now we're gonna move on to the brows. If you have full, nice looking brows already, you can probably just use a brow gel and be done. I have like half eyebrows because I shaved them off. So I fill mine in. So I'm gonna take this Sonia Kashuk number 27 brush. I'm going to dip in to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Blonde. And I'm just going to sort of just comb this through the hairs that are already there. Okay, and where I don't have hair at the end, I'm just going to quickly create a little tail. I'm going to pull the leftover product through the front of the brows. Okay, and then I'm just gonna comb through this with a spoolie to really blend it. Okay, so now I have an eyebrow. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Those aren't perfect. Okay, next step, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and just give my top and bottom lashes one coat. Okay, and you can leave it like that if you want to. I am just going to pop on some fake lashes because, I don't know, I just feel like my look is not complete without lashes. I don't know. So I'm going to take these are the Ardell 601s, I believe. I got them in the Glamour Variety Pack. The third one's down. They have been worn. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop some of my Duo Glue, a really thin line across the lash. And then once that starts getting a little tacky, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that on the eye. You can see that just adds a little bit of a touch of glam to the look. I think, I don't know, for me, it makes it feel more put together. I think for some people it's a little much, but I'm a little much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Alright, so we have the lashes on. Next up is going to be highlighter. I feel like this is an important piece when you're doing kind of like a quick look. Like, for some reason this just makes it look like you tried a lot harder. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like it makes me look more glam. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put, oh god, that's a lot. This is some of my O for highlighter in Star Island. Okay, that's not bad. Put a little bit. Cheekbones. Cupid's bow. I'm just gonna put it kind of towards the top of my nose right here. Inner corners. I'll go under the brow bone and I'm gonna pull this down and connect it out to my cheekbone highlight. And I'm just gonna go a little bit over the brow. So now we look shiny and, I don't know, cute. Okay, so last step, you could add a lipstick to this if you wanted. Why don't we? We'll try something. I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to line my lips. This is my NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. Okay, and then this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. Oh, this is almost the exact same color as my lip liner. All right. If you're really in a rush to get out the door, I would just say skip the lipstick, throw on a gloss, but I think this looks cute. So this is the finished look. This is my 10-minute rushing out the door look put together makeup. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, leave me a comment, say hi. Would love to chat with you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications every time I post. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.